Which process is responsible for providing the rights to use an IT service? Option A. Incident management. Option B. Access management. Option C. Change management. Option D. Request fulfillment. The correct answer is option B. Which of the following activities are carried out in the Where Do We Want to Be? Step of the Continual Service Improvement (CSI) model approach? Option A. Implementing service and process improvements. Option B. Reviewing measurable improvements. Option C. Creating a baseline. Option D. Defining measurable targets. The correct answer is option D. Which areas of service management can benefit from automation? Option A. Design and modeling. Option B. Reporting. Option C. Pattern recognition and analysis. Option D. Detection and monitoring. Option A. 1, 2 and 3 only. Option B. 1, 3 and 4 only. Option C. 2, 3 and 4 only. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. Which process is responsible for monitoring an IT service and detecting when the performance drops below acceptable limits? Option A. Service Asset and Configuration Management. Option B. Event Management. Option C. Service Catalog Management. Option D. Problem Management. The correct answer is option B.